ipapakita ko kung paano i-download ang Tony version 4.1.7. Tony.org. Tapos ito na. Ito po, i-click po natin to. Then makikita po natin yung ito. Download version 4.1.7. Dahil ito yung kailangan natin, ito yung ida-download natin. So, click natin. Then, hanapin po natin ito. This one. Click po natin yan. So, yan. Tapos na. Next. Accept the agreement. Next ulit. Then create desktop icon. Next, install. Let's install it now. Just wait for a second before we go to the next step. So, yun, finish na. So, sabi ni Chris Pine, programming isn't about what you know. It's about what you can figure out. Wow. So, let's click the finish button. Ayan, dito na pala. Dito na siya. Tapos, i-open natin siya. Then, i-set lang natin siya English kasi English naman tayo, and standard lang. So, let's go. Let's click the button. Then, lakayin lang natin siya. Then, yan. Ito, configure interpreter. And local Python 3. Then, dyan. Let's click the button OK. Tapos let's wait. Ay, meron na pala. Save lang po natin. Mag-save tayo. Save. Then ang lagay natin is surname ko Navarro. Yung block and year. Ay, block and year. Then, save. Then, control N. Tama. Ano? Joke lang. So, sensya na. Yan. Then, print natin yung hello world. Try natin i-print ang hello world. Parentheses, tas quotation. Quotation ba tawag yan? Quotation. Then, capital H. Type lang natin hello world. Hello world. World. Then let's run it now. Run na po natin. Then run current script or F5. So ayan po, nag-run na po. Then isa pa, print ulit. Then quotation, double quotation, name ko Crystal Joy run.